So this is my Roland V drum kit, and here's a little something I recorded for you. Just kidding, these are pre-records. So these are actual, that's how these will sound. Each one has a button and a variation. Let's see if this works. No, let's try this. That one's got a rim shot in it on the variation. That one's got a cowbell in it and double bass. See what 3 is. Oops. That one's got some bongos. There's the variation of it. Funkier and funkier as we go along here. Let's try 4. This one gets really weird, but cool. Hip hop or whatever that is. This one's got some real funky sounds to it. And the spacey sounding one. Anyway, main one's one. I forget variation. Got a rim shot. This is big drums. This one's got the cowbell. So those are probably all you would use. They have bongos. Funky. Sorry, that was bongos. And then that's funky. So really between the first 2, that gives the double bass. All right. That's what they sound like.